What's up, everybody? It's your girl PrettyPercent. That's spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y with a percent sign. Hey, I know the holidays are coming up, and I bet you want to cook. So come on in the kitchen with PrettyPercent, and let me show you how I make my Southern style collard greens. Notice anything? I have on a custom apron. Looks good, right? PrettyPercent. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you hit that notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. All right, as I said, I was cooking some Southern style collard greens. I already have 1 bag of collard greens in the sink in some fresh salt water. They're soaking. I'm also boiling some smoked turkey, some smoked pigtails, because I really wanted smoked turkey tails, but they didn't have any more in the stores. Also, I had to get the collard greens in a bag also because they didn't have any more of the fresh ones in the store. It's the holidays. Everybody's going around buying everything up. We still gonna make it work though. I'm gonna show you some more things that I have, so come along. A little tip, when you're cutting up your onions, you make sure you get some ice water and you put it in there. I had to dip it in there for like a minute because your eyes will burn if you have some sensitive eyes. I have sensitive eyes, you hear me? So I'm just cutting up my onions right now. I cut up 1 whole onion. I'm thinking about putting another onion in here because I got 3 bags of collard greens, so might have to do 2 onions. That's what I'm gonna do. Got these onions already on the side. Stop it. I'm not playing. Come blow it. Blow my eye. You blow my eye. Ah, it's burning. For real.
You tripping, bro. You tripping.
Thank you, guys. I had to go and wash my eyes out. They were burning from cutting those onions. They say when you put the onions in some cold ice water that your eyes won't burn. Huh, they lied because my eyes were burning. Well, here is my onions, and I have bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. I'm gonna put all this in the collard greens. It's gonna taste so good. Southern style, right? And I'm gonna get a mitten because I'm not about to burn my hand. In here, I got the smoked pigtails. They are boiling. It's making its own stock right now. Looking good. You have to boil this for like an hour first. You can use that. You can also use chicken broth. First, I like to use this because it makes its own stock when you use meat. So then you pour it in the collard greens. Look how these collard greens are looking right now. Again, dark and green. They're really steamy. After about 30 minutes after I pour this stock in there, I'm gonna put the onions in it, put the bell peppers in it, season it good. I have some minced garlic that I'm gonna put in there. I have a splash of vinegar I'm gonna put in there, and put a little bit of this olive oil in there also. When you put this in there, it just gives it a nice Southern style taste. You don't have to take my word for it. I have an official taste tester. Tell them what you think about my Southern style collard greens.
This is good, PrettyPercent.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video of me cooking my Southern style collard greens. This is my favorite dish. I know it's the holidays and you're probably trying to figure out what is it that you can cook. You probably made some macaroni and cheese and you burnt it. Or you made a turkey and you burnt that too. Hey, if you don't know how to cook these collard greens, you need to get out of the kitchen.
Stop it. Get some help.
Well, leave me a comment below. Make sure you like and share my video. Let me know if you ever made you some collard greens or if you made anything else for the holidays. Until next time.
Drink from my sunshine, sip from my rainbows.